Hello friends, welcome to my channel, The Girl in the City. Today, I'm going to show you Mandala art on a stone using acrylic color. Mandala is a Sanskrit word which means circle. Generally, mandala has one center point through which it emerges an array of shape, symbol and form. For this mandala art, today I'm using simple household items like pencil, cotton swab and toothpick. So let's go ahead and see the art.
Here I have taken a flat surface stone. Using black acrylic color, paint the stone and let it dry. Once the paint is dried, let's start the mandala art. Here I am using the flat end of the pencil eraser for the center dot. I am using white acrylic color for the center dot. For the first ring, here I have taken a toothpick stick. Place the dot around the center dot in crisscross pattern, like this. For the second ring, I am using a cotton swab and placing the dot right at the center of the previous dot. For the next ring, I am using a leaf green color with the help of pencil flat end, placing the dot right in between the two dots, like this. Now, with lemon yellow color, I will be giving some detail around the green dot. Dip the toothpick in the color and place a dot just above the green dot and go around the dot till the end, like this. For the next ring, I am using light violet color with the help of paint brush, flat surface, placing a dot in the empty space between the previous ring. Now take orange color and place a single dot in between the two light violet color dots. For the next ring, we are using blue color. Place the dot using a flat surface of the brush, like this. Here I have enough space to apply two more dots in between. For the last ring, I am using flesh tint color. Apply the dot using a flat surface of the pencil. Now, place small dots using violet color around the big dot. Mandala art on a stone is done. Subscribe to my channel, like, press the bell icon and share.